The flow of a lesson. The flow of a lesson is going to change somewhat depending on what part of the process we're in, whether we're near the beginning or near the end. But I always start with some small talk. I don't want to just jump right in and get to work. I may take a minute. How was your week? What did you do that you liked? How do you feel? Then I asked how the practicing went. Using the table, you didn't use the table that we arranged. What was easy for you? What was hard for you? Do you feel you had enough time to practice? And then we get into the review. And in the review, I listen to what the student learned, the new material from the previous week, and I immediately know if it's been enough time or not enough time. There's no one amount of time that's right for everybody. One student can learn something by practicing 5 minutes twice, and another student will take that same material and will need to work an hour 3 times during the week. But we'll always know if it's been enough time because the student will have learned the new material. After the review, which in the beginning is very short and at the end may take most of the lesson, we go to new material. The new material, again, I teach one trope at a time. If I've found in listening to the review that the student isn't sure of the new trope from the previous week, I just review. That's the whole lesson will be review because we want to solidify and build each block solidly so that we can go on. Whenever I introduce new material, we use the cards. We practice with words that aren't part of the Haftarah. Then we go into the words that are in the Haftarah. We chain and put them together. At the end of the lesson, we record. The recording method could be different from every student. The recording methods change over the years. They'll change in the coming years, but we have a choice of many technological advances. I let the student decide how they want to record and let them bring the recording materials.